Hey y'all, I just wanted to show y'all I was getting going on some nature-based landscape design sort of stuff. Cleared out a bunch of ornamental shell ginger here. It's it takes over. It's not it's pleasant to look at, but it's not a super highly aesthetic landscape planting, but it also doesn't provide any sort of edible food qualities here. So I cleared all this area out. Working on getting all the cuttings out, and I'm gonna start by planting. Got a key lime tree there. I am going to leave this ornamental stuff over here. I've got camellias that are in bloom here. Look at that flower, and my hydrangeas are starting to come in.